Adding a date range in Looker Studio allows you to filter and analyze data within specific time frames. Here's how to add the date range filter to your report. Open Looker Studio, log in, go to datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Open a report. Select the report where you want to add the date range filter. Add the date range filter. Insert date range control. Click on Add the control in the top menu. Choose date range control from the drop-down menu. Place the control. Click and drag on the report canvas to draw the date range control box. Configure date range control. Set default date range. In the properties panel on the right, you can set a default date range, such as last 3 days, last 30 days, or a custom range. Link to data. Ensure the date range control is linked to your data source's date field. This is often done automatically but can be adjusted in the control settings. Customize and apply. Style the control. Use the Style tab to adjust the appearance of the date range control. Apply to report. The date range filter will now allow users to select a specific time period, dynamically updating the data displayed in the report.